Alright guys, Mohammed here, SEO Website Masters. Part 3, season finale, how to make a professional website for under $100. Alright, so season finale, we're going to be talking about the theme, which is the clothing for your house, right? Just an analogy. So again, we said it's going to be for under $100. Our budget so far is $89. $1 for the domain, $10 to $11 for an awesome hosting account. And now part 3 is going to be the theme. Now the theme, it's really up to you. You can get anywhere from free all the way up to 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 dollars, depending on how much you want to spend. But again, your budget is $100, so you're allowed to spend up to $89. Now I'm gonna tell you guys how to get free themes, but for more premium, better looking ones, ones that will give you less work, you may have to spend anywhere from $40 to $70, but I promise you nothing beyond that. Okay. All right, so as far as building a website, I already talked to you guys about WordPress. It's pretty much an agreed upon most common platform to use as far as building a website. It's just more user friendly. It's more common. More than 80% of websites out there are built using WordPress. There are better ones like Webflow, but to be honest, I still prefer WordPress in terms of SEO, in terms of creating blogs, in terms of simplicity. For all those reasons, I'm still down with WordPress, man. Forget all this other stuff. All right, so you got your database, you got your domain, you got your email. Got some like insects attacking me. You got your domain, your database, your email. So now we're going to talk about how to put all these things together, right? All right, so when you set all those things up, so now what you need to do is you need to upload, or you need to configure WordPress into your database, right? All right, so once you configure the WordPress, so what you want to do is, if you're going with one of my recommendations, which is SiteGround, there's as soon as you configure your WordPress, you set up the password for admin so you can log in and out. There's automatically free themes, hundreds that you can select on, and they're absolutely free. All you gotta do on the search box is type your niche. If it's a restaurant, if it's a real estate business, whatever type of business that you have, you just put it in the search box, and there's going to give you so many options that you can pick up. Just pick one that resonates with you in terms of the feel, colors, and things of that nature, right? And you just click on install, and it's going to install it, and then you just click on customize, and it's literally as simple as that. And for more functionality, if you want to make it more sophisticated, you can choose to upgrade, and upgrading the option simply gives you the ability to have more control and the nuanced things that you want to add or you want to customize to your liking. The upgraded version gives you that option, but to be honest, as a beginner, everything you need is gonna be inclusive for the free version. You don't really need the advanced. As your business starts to grow, you can always elect to upgrade, or you can always even change a totally different theme. But this is just to get the ball rolling, right? All right, for those that are looking for something even better, or something, maybe your niche is like super nuanced, like maybe like you're a barbershop or like a oil refinery, or something that's like not very common, you may have to find a specific theme. And don't worry, guys, I got you. Now, the best out there, it's called Theme Forest. So just type Theme Forest and then go there, and then on the search box type WordPress and whatever your niche is, and click search, and I guarantee you there's going to be something. Even if there's not, there's going to be a multi-purpose version where you can always customize to your niche. But Theme Forest is amazing, man. And the good thing is it's cheap. I'll give you guys like a little hack that I do. Because there's so many options, you don't have all day, going siphoning through all the options. Just just filter it to what's based on the rating, right? And then based on whether the seller is a bestseller, and then look at the comments also. If there's a lot of comments, and make sure you go through the comments just to make sure that they got good comments, right? So usually the ones that rate really high are better in terms of, like, let's say there's some kind of weird glitch, which there's always going to be some kind of weird glitch, something where you put everything together and something is not working correctly, or there's a conflict between plugins, right? And it's causing issues with your website, and because you're not the original programmer, you may not know how to go around that. So you're gonna the good thing is there's free support up to like 6 months, I believe, and so you can always reach out to the original programmer and they'll help you figure out a workaround. So that's like one of the major bonuses, right? So even if you're not that good, I believe for like a little bit of fee you can actually pay one of the programmers to actually finish the website for you. So for those of you that don't have that much time or are not really privy to building websites and you don't want to hire somebody like me, you can actually pay like less than $50 to have somebody completely install it for you and customize it for you. So basically you're just gonna find something that works for you, right? And you're gonna buy it, right? And then make sure you download the WordPress version only. Don't download the full package, because it's gonna cause you issues, because now you're gonna have to separate the folders and figure out which one you can upload directly into WordPress. So just for simplicity's sake, once you pay for it, just download the WordPress version only. So you download the WordPress version, go into WordPress, go to themes, and then upload the theme. And as soon as you upload it, now every theme has their own weird way to configure it, but in most cases there's like a one-click import option where it will preload an entire fully built website, right? So that's gonna save you a lot of time. So all you gotta do now is just literally edit, and literally that's it. That's the entire website already completely done. So now you just want to edit it to your business needs, right? To your business, to relate to specifically to your business in terms of your the biography, your contact, the words that you actually want to use. You don't want to use like their words, right? Because you want to make it more personal, right? Because it's more real that way. And literally the only other thing that you're gonna need is your own logo. But don't worry, guys, I got you for this bonus. You can always go to Fiverr. For $5 you can hire some professionals, like I'm talking about like some good professionals, graphic designers, to create a quick logo for you, and bam, you have everything that you need. Now once you got all those things sorted out, before you want to publish your website, make sure you install some bonus plugins. I may have to make a video to tell you guys the best plugins to help with your website. You don't really need that many, but there are certain ones that you're gonna need, like SEO Yoast. You're gonna need I can't think of anything else on the top of my head, but it really depends on your business need. But some of the basic ones that you're gonna need like a security kind of plugins. You're gonna need plugins that will help, you know, speed up your websites. Some by caching your data, so your website is not constantly basically working around clumps of data, right? Because all that data, everything you do is accumulating data, and that's going to slow your upload speed, right? And your upload speed is going to affect your overall page speed. So there are some plugins that are important. I'll make a list of some good ones and make a video on that for you guys. But voila, you guys have a free or less than $100 professional website, like I promised. If you guys need any help, feel free to reach out. And if there's any videos you guys want me to talk about, or if there's anything that I missed, feel free to reach out and let me know in the comments. All right, till next video.